IFA has been here for 15 years, and it's a brand, a huge brand. And we continue the celebrations this year with a special 15-year IFA. So we're all very happy that in 15 years, IFA has only grown and crossing all over the globe. You will see all that in an AV to be presented very shortly. And I think you will understand what all has happened in all these years. Makes you feel proud that India can do all this. The Indian industry, film industry, how it goes all over the world entertaining everyone. And a couple of announcements before I leave the stage. This year's award for outstanding contribution to Indian cinema is going to Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. So we congratulate him and hope to see him there. So I will not take any more of your time. Please watch the AV of IFA. Thank you.
Good evening. I don't really know what to say. I'm just really, really happy to be here. I'm honestly very, very excited to see Hrithik perform. I haven't seen him for very long perform on stage. No, I'm serious. I mean, he is, for me, the best dancer in the industry right now, honestly. I have seen his work. I remember seeing his first film. And I remember seeing especially Koi Mil Gaya and feeling like I'm such a shit actor. and very, very excited to be hosting with Farhan. I was really, I felt very lonely last year without him. And I sent him a message saying, why are you not hosting this year? Because honestly, the kind of content that he came up with when we hosted last year, I think that was the most fun I had hosting an award function. And it was a lot to do with the fact that we were hosting together. And I mean, he's a fantastic mind, and he takes out so much time. And it was so much fun that we had on stage. And it's an awesome memory that I have. We got a lot of importance at the after party, which felt really nice. So very excited to be hosting again. It's the 15th year for IFA, which is fantastic. They've been doing better every year. It's going to be at Tampa Bay. Never been there, so I'm excited to go to Tampa Bay. We'll be throwing that baseball pitch. I don't know whether either of us will be throwing it, or one guy will be holding the bat. I don't know how that works, but should be fun. Yeah, let's just not throw it at each other, because otherwise, we'd have two bumps and we'd be standing on the stage on the final night. I'm also very excited to see Farhan's rock show that he's going to be doing on the previous night. I've never done it. I've heard a lot about it, and I'm very excited to hear that as well. So I think really great stuff is going to be happening, and very happy to be there. So thank you.
Thank you, Shahid. Hi, good evening, everyone. It's very exciting to be back hosting IFA with Shahid again. It is true, we had a great time a couple of years ago when we hosted it together. They're very fond memories. Congratulations, of course, to the entire Wizcraft team. And thank you to them as well. The work that they do behind the scenes, way before this press conference happens, months and months, at times even years of effort goes into creating these wonderful events at these wonderful places. So very, very fortunate to be a part of this Wizcraft family and to be working with Andre, Viraf, Sabas and the entire team all over again. I'm also looking forward to watching Hrithik dancing after many, many years. I think that'll be fun. And apart from that, of course, all the wonderful performers, events that will be happening from the 23rd on. So see you all at Tampa Bay. Thank you very, very much.
All of us just going to stop and watch.
Enough.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. There's so much has already been said. In fact, everything that I wanted to say has been said already. But I think I want to say this which has not been said. That, ladies and gentlemen, this 15th IFA is going to be the best IFA that we have ever seen in the past 15 years. It is. Andre and the entire team of Wizcraft, You guys are absolutely incredible. Where are you, Andre? Can I have your face somewhere? Andre, I love you, man. You guys are exceptional. Thank you for giving my industry and my people such a magnificent platform to reach out. You add growth to our cinema. It's such a powerful vehicle to gain entry into such new markets. I mean, we can't be more thankful to you and your vision. Thank you so much for that. And IIFA is all about fun, so I'm really looking forward to a whole load of fun. Thank you for being such magnificent hosts, for being the most well-organized, the most efficient, and just, you guys are just great, man. I mean, I look forward to IIFA. I've got a chance now after I don't know how many years I've been trying to be a part of IIFA, and finally I have the chance now, the opportunity, and I am going to take it and I'm going to make it good. We're going to have lots of fun. Tampa Bay, are you ready? Because we are coming very soon. See you then. Thank you. Thank you.